I would bet a lot of money that this has been the longest you two have ever gone without some PDA. So go ahead and you may now kiss. Introducing for the first time, Mr. and Mrs. McCormick.
For anyone that knows Kevin, they know his soft side. Our first date, you took me to Inside Out and cried. We proceeded to sit in the movie theater parking lot and have by far the deepest Pixar-inspired conversation I've ever had. I left there knowing you were my perfect man. Sure, you were cute, are cute, but you were a smart and sensitive softie. I immediately saw your heart and knew it was one I wanted to be connected to.
Kevin and Claire have an amazing energy about themselves together. They feed off each other in an absolutely incredible way. They can easily spend the night in playing board games, or plan an adventurous hike, or go out on the town.
When I think about what you mean to me, I don't want to say you complete me, because to me, it's different. You make me feel that I'm enough on my own, but stand alongside me, cheering me on in case I forget. I will spend my whole life making sure I can do that for you.
Kevin, you are literally a perfect match for Claire. Your balance with Claire's personality and ability to really see Claire and know when all she needs is a big bear hug to reset is what won me over as her older sister.
Beautiful. I'm so proud of you, so happy for you.
You laid down on the couch next to me and said, "Mom, I just like Claire so much." And just those few words, and that's when I knew you had found the one. And after meeting Claire, I understood why. And Claire, you're strong and kind and smart and lovely in every possible way. And you're so good for Kevin.
The fact that there's nobody in the world I'd rather spend the rest of my life with is pretty clear, given that we're both standing here committing to do just that. But the biggest reason why I'm confident in that is that even though the world is an incredibly uncertain place, it is certain that we'll be able to adapt together to craft the life we want.
Yeah, you got stars, stars in your eyes. I know it from the way you make me feel inside. Like I'm up on a mountainside, gazing out the night sky, but I'm just looking at the stars in your eyes. Yeah, oh, the stars in your eyes. It's beautiful and so bright.
It's rare you find two people that complement each other as well as Kevin and Claire. Now, I'm not saying that you're each other's yin and yang. Rather, you are each the missing pieces to each other's uniquely complex puzzles.
Kevin since we were in 5th grade. Our relationship got off to a rocky start. He wore his hair with frosted tips back then, had an intimidating athletic reputation. I wasn't sure if I could get along with the guy. And he didn't like me because apparently I bragged about my baseball card collection. But we clicked after games of bump or knockout, and we've been like brothers ever since.
Despite our differences, we were always close and always friends. As time went on, we continued to grow closer, and I love knowing that you, my sister, are my best friend.
These last couple weeks, I was asking my teachers if I could leave on Thursday to come to this wedding, and none of them responded to my emails or gave me any serious answers. And it wasn't until my friend pulled me aside and was like, Ian, you can't go around saying you need to skip school because you're marrying your sister this weekend. So I should clarify and say thank you for the added responsibility of officiating and marrying you both.
Kevin, you are a better friend than many of us could even hope to have, and I am just so glad that we got past the frosted tips and baseball debacle.